Hi friends! Welcome to Kitchen Princess Bamboo Japanese Everyday Food. Today I'm going to be making Tofu Hamburger Steak. This is a healthy alternative for Western style hamburger steak. Because I added a lot of vegetables and seaweed in the filling, it becomes a more balanced dish. I love the texture of a lot of things going on in my mouth. And light aftertaste makes you feel doing something good for your body. This is suitable for people who want to cut calories to lose weight or just be more healthy. Let's get started. First, let's cut the vegetables. Mince a half onion into small dice. Finely chop carrot. Put ground chicken into a bowl, adding a teaspoon of salt, pepper, and half a tablespoon of sake. Adding grated fresh ginger. Adding 1 egg white. Adding a tablespoon of dried Hijiki seaweed and a heaping tablespoon of potato starch. Egg white and potato starch binding together the ingredients even stronger compared to the whole egg. You don't have to rehydrate your Hijiki because it soaks up moisture in the tofu and it can adjust consistency. Add in tofu and crumble up and mix thoroughly. You can use both firm tofu or silken tofu. The firm tofu makes a firm texture, of course, and soft tofu makes a soft texture. Mix until your filling binding together and mix well. Add in onion and carrot. Mix until evenly incorporated. Heat your frying pan on medium-low. Add in vegetable oil and drop a spoonful of filling, shaping into a disc. It's a soft filling so that you can use a spoon. Keep in mind that you want to make a dent in the center because it will swell in the cooking process. Cook 4 to 5 minutes until it browned and then flip it over and put the lid on. Cook another 4 to 5 minutes or until done. When you touch the center and it is firm, it's done. Let's make easy onion ponzu sauce. Slice your onion thinly with a mandarin and mix with ponzu soy sauce. The thinly sliced onion will soon be wilted and thicken the sauce just a little bit. Transfer the tofu hamburger steak on a dish with sautéed vegetables of your choice or salad greens. Pour over the sauce and top with chopped scallion, and it's done. You can serve with teriyaki sauce or even just soy sauce goes well. What I like about this dish is it's not just a light and diet conscious dish, but still satisfying to eat. It's a big batch, but you can freeze it for your bento, or you can make into another dish like tempura. I always like to make 2 different kinds of dish from one filling. I'll show you in the next video. Give it a try and let me know how you like it. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. And go to my website for the printable recipe and more information. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. Stay safe and stay healthy, and I will see you soon. Bye!